My name is Justin. My favorite book is Animal Farm by George Orwell because I like the way that he uses animals to describe real human problems.
In celebration of National Book Lovers Day, here are some of the opening lines from some great novels.
You will rejoice to hear that no disaster has accompanied the commencement of an enterprise which you have regarded with such evil forebodings, from Frankenstein or the Monarch Prometheus by Mary Shelley.
Mr. and Mrs. Darcy of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. From Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stones by J.K. Rowling.
Far out in the uncharted backwaters of the unfashionable end of the western spiral arm of the galaxy lies a small, unregarded yellow sun. From The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams.
It was almost December, and Jonas was beginning to be frightened. From The Giver by Lois Lowry.
It was bright, cold day in April, and the clocks were striking 13 from 1984 by George Orwell.
So there you have it, exciting first lines from some great books. If you heard one you like, pick up a book at your local library and find out what happens next.
Happy National Book Lovers Day. This production is brought to you by the Rutgers Future Scholars program.